Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the USB tethering in your device Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So if you want to enable USB tethering in your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable USB tethering in your device.